Oh, hey everybody, I'm Mickey Mouse. So today, I'll be launching this boat into the creek. So anyways, before I start this video, I just wanted to give a shout out to Super Mario Luigi. It's my friend's channel, and he makes really good content on there, and lots of funny videos. It makes me laugh every time. So anyways, just go check out Super Mario Luigi and subscribe to him because he likes subscribers. And yeah, whatever. So without further ado, I'm gonna launch this boat. So here we go. Oh boy, this is gonna be so much fun. Ew, 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 ew. Oh, it's so muddy down here. Oh, I'm getting my shoes wet. Oh, well, anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and launch this boat. All right, here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Oh boy. Well, I kind of want him to head downstream, so I'm just gonna go in and give him a little push. And I hope I don't get too wet, but if I get wet, that'll be fine. So, anyways, oh, come on, little buddy. Oh, I just need to give you a little bit of a push. Oh, I'm all wet and muddy and stuff now. I'm all wet now. All right. I'm just gonna give you one more push, then I'm getting out of here. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm getting out of here now. All right. Oh, I slipped. I'm getting out of here. So anyways, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here.